Hello all, welcome back to our channel Enjoy Learning. For today's video, we are going to do Nature of CX bond in haloalkanes. This title it will be useful for the students of 12th CBSE Science. So let's get started. So CX bond it is written as carbon with three valencies or three bonds and bonded to halogen atom that is X. Now carbon it bears delta positive charge and halogen it bears delta negative charge. It is represented as delta positive and delta negative respectively. So delta positive it stands for partial positive charge and delta negative it stands for partial negative charge. Now why that is so we will see. Halogen atoms they are more electronegative than the carbon atom. Therefore, carbon halogen bond of alkyl halide it is polarized. It undergoes polarization. And this polarized it is shown as delta positive and delta negative. The carbon atom it is going to bear partial positive charge whereas halogen atom it is going to bear partial negative charge. Now why partial positive and partial negative? You have an electron pair in between carbon and halogen atom. Okay, so if this is an electron pair, halogen atom being more electronegative, this electron pair it is going to get pulled across the halogen atom. As electron pair it is going to get pulled across the halogen atom, it is going to have more of the negative charge which is shown as delta negative. In comparison with the halogen atom, carbon atom it is going to be more positive because electron pair it has got pulled towards the halogen atom and hence it is going to be more positive in comparison with the halogen atom which is represented as delta positive, and hence carbon atom it bears a delta positive charge and halogen atom it bears delta negative charge. Now as we go down in the group in the periodic table, the size of the halogen atom increases. So look at this. Okay, so you have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. So you have atomic number of 9 for fluorine, 17 for chlorine, 35 for bromine, and 53 for iodine. So the size of the halogen atom it goes on increasing in the periodic table. So fluorine atom it is the smallest and iodine atom it is the largest. So because of this carbon halogen bond length it also increases from fluorine to iodine. Okay, so that is nothing but the bond length of carbon and fluorine it is going to be more than carbon and chlorine, then carbon and bromine, and then for carbon and iodine. That is because of the size of the halogen atoms. So this is the table which is going to show the bond length, the bond enthalpies, and the dipole moment of the carbon and halogen atoms. So when we take CH3F, okay, the first bond in between CH3 and F, the bond length it is 139. When we compare it with CH3Cl, CH3Br, and CH3I, it is the smallest one. And for CH3I, it is going to be the largest one. So bond length, it is going to be written in picometers. So the smallest it is for CH3F, that is 139, and the biggest one it is going to be for CH3I. Coming to the bond enthalpies. So bond enthalpies it is written in kilojoules per mole. So bond enthalpies it is going to be the largest for carbon and fluorine bond and the smallest for carbon iodine. And coming to the dipole moment, so dipole moment, it is written in Debye. So it is going to be the highest or the lowest. So the highest it is going to be for CH3Cl, and the lowest it is going to be for CH3I. Okay, so this is about the bond, the bond length, the bond enthalpies, and the dipole moment. So this is all for today's video. If you like with the video, kindly click the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more chemistry videos. Thank you.